Hello guys, in this tutorial we will guide you through how to fix USB device not working after sleep. First, click the start button and type edit power plan. Then under base match, click the edit power plan option. Next, click change advanced power settings. In the list, expand the USB settings option. Now expand the USB selective suspend setting. As you can see, it is currently set to enable. This means Windows can suspend or temporarily disable any USB connected device, including your microphone. To fix this problem, change the setting from enable to disable, then click apply followed by OK. Finally, restart your computer. After signing back into Windows, your USB device will no longer be turned off automatically and should work properly. And that's it for today. Thank you guys and see you in the next video.